Rounds of kickboxing next. Liam Powell out of CKA versus Levi Goddard at Vanquish. The entertaining Bout making his way into the blue corner. 50 Cent on the entrance song. Two upcoming lads. Powell planning to make a name for himself here today. Got a lot of noise for Liam behind us here. And now we have Levi Goddard from Vanquish. Nice, confident looking chap on the ramps. Ready to go, both fighters looking ready to go. Should be another exciting bout. Yeah, the chance for Liam behind us. Some funky entrance music going on again. For Liam, the Liam chants are ringing around. A lot of noise coming for Levi too. Both fighters should be keen to put on a show. And they made their way into the corners. And we are off. Round one of 3. Nice. Nice.
Levi taking the centre of the ring. Oh, Levi down
on the canvas. All good though, we're back in.
Nice backhand from Levi.
Nice fast pace to start this one off. Ooh, nice exchange there.
Levi on the back foot now though.
Nice.
Nice shots from Liam Powell there.
Levi really
1-2 kick.
Back. Nice kick from
Liam.
And again, and another one return from Levi.
Levi got him on the back foot there. Oh, nice 1-2 there.
Nice.
Liam, the crowd favourite.
Wow. Not that Levi looks phased at all. Both fighters.
Not at all, mate.
Both fighters looking very keen, fast approach to the fight. More of the same, I'm hoping, for the rest of it. 2 more rounds to go. See what the coach's input can do to change the outcome of this next round.
Liam getting some advice from Leon Dunnett there. Very, very experienced fighter.
Hard to call that first round, I think. I would all to play for.
Let's see what
Powell's
this
corner.
next round
Going a bit of
brings.
earnest on that body shot. Create the space, come into it. Bosh. Bosh! Crowd giving him a bit of motivation here. Levi unfazed, just wants to get stuck back in there. Touch of the gloves to back off. Levi pushing him into that corner. Sorry.
Nice kick from Liam there.
Nice.
Nice 1-2. Turn from Liam.
Got out of that corner. Nice. Nice.
Oh, lovely shot
really
from Liam
to
there.
transition out of those corners well. Making it hard for Goddard to pin him down with them shots.
See if Liam can get out of this corner again.
Nice, he does it. He does it. Nice shot.
Nice uppercut from Liam there.
Another kick in there. Levi still pushing him back though. Still consistent with his approach.
Nice turn from Liam there.
Cheeky shot there. Back in. Another glove touch. Nice shot.
Nice overhand
Nice
from
shot
Liam.
there. Levi coming in with the body kick.
Referee breaks him straight
Back
in
again,
from
another body
Goddard.
kick. Nice stuff. Back against the ropes there. Levi really starting to close him down,
nice
but
shot.
big shot coming from Liam. Again, another open round. Not much change from the first round, just more shots. Nice. Another good round from both fighters. I think Liam looked really good in this round. Really starting to find a home for himself. At the expense to Levi. I think Levi needs to utilise more. When he gets him in that corner, he needs to keep him there. Keep him pinned down with those shots.
Yeah.
Get a few combinations in there because Liam seems to be getting loaded in, pivoting out of them and getting shots off. Liam really looking to make a name for himself here tonight. A lot of noise coming. A lot of Liam chants ringing around. Got a big shot
kick
from
from
Levi.
Goddard.
Chanting doesn't faze him. He's here to do damage. Nice. But he gets out the corner again. Oh,
Lovely kick from both fighters.
a dual kick. Nice shots here from Levi. Pushing him against the ropes. Suppose that's one way of stopping him, getting him out.
Oh, lovely
nice.
shot.
Nice. Levi really starting to silence the crowd now.
Levi dominating the ring. Got Liam in the corner.
Absolutely. Liam not showing.
Let's see if he doesn't waste it.
Getting out of the corner this time. Nice. Referee steps in there. Levi straight back on with the pressure.
Nice kick from
Liam
Goddard.
looking to tire a little bit now. Still throwing though. But Levi really all over him this round. He's come out.
Powell's hurt.
Definitely. Levi like a piranha. He smells the blood and he's going in for more.
10 seconds left.
Can he make
Oh,
it
lovely
count?
shot from Goddard there. Can he execute it? Well done to both fighters.
Good fight there.
Well done.
Levi really dominated that final round, but...
Who have you got, Dion?
I don't know. Levi really impressed that final round, but the first rounds had to go to Powell, so it just depends. Do you think he did enough in those later rounds?
I think they both did brilliant, to be fair.
Again, another reason why I'm not a judge, because I can't decide.
Well, I'm going to say I think Goddard might have nicked that, mate. I'm going to be honest.
He looked really well in that last round. Really dominant. Really dominant. A lot of shots landed. Takes a lot as well to fight away when the crowd is in favour of your opponent.
When they're against you, Absolutely brilliant fight. Matched by Chris Bladen.
Both fighters really well performed really well. Sorry. My words have been stolen from what I saw. But again, I wouldn't be shocked to see it go either way. I think Powell looked really good at the early start. Levi towards the end. I suppose it's how your view was. We can catch all these fights and look at these decisions for yourself on Leapfrog Fight TV. $9.99 a month, you get everything. All the build-up, all the events, worldwide.
Interviews, everything.
Really get to know the fighters.
You cannot go wrong with the payment.
It's a no-brainer.
$9.99, mate, it's nothing. To watch all these fights you get, it's like, it literally is a no-brainer.
It really is the go-to place for your entertainment.
You can watch K1, kickboxing, boxing, MMA, everything. Just for $9.99. Big respect to both fighters.
See what the judges have come up with.
Split decision.
Can't argue with that.
Liam Powell.
Well done, Liam. Great first
Liam.
rounds for him. Must have really tipped it in his favour. It would have really took something in that last round from Levi, and he did deliver in that last round. But I think Liam overall, a well fought victory.